Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.